And Shavendra, can you tell us a little bit more about holidays and how many holidays there are, how long they typically are? What are your biggest holidays?
Uh, okay. The big holidays here is Holi, Diwali, Eid, and also, by region also. Like some festival in the south of India might be a big festival there, but in the north, people don't celebrate it. So the entire south of India might be shut for 3 days, but in the north, the working is as usual. So, but nowadays, gone are the days when the entire, factories used to shut down for 3 days, 4 days, or 7 days for a holiday. We don't have that now.